How to see saved passwords on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Apple makes it incredibly easy to save usernames and passwords for websites and apps on the iPhone or iPad. You can choose to quickly autofill that information without having to dig it out or risk having to reset it because you forgot it. Apple also makes it easy for you to see your saved usernames and passwords on your iPhone. Apple also makes it easy for you to see your saved usernames and password on your iPhone or iPad in the event you don't remember that information and you need to enter it on another device. Now let's walk through the steps to see your saved usernames and password on an iPhone. Scroll down and navigate to the option of passwords. Once you find it, open it. Your Face ID will be enabled. And just for that, you'll land to the passwords page. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of websites and passwords that you have saved. You can just scroll and check. In order to see the password, open up the website. And here you're going to find this password. Click on it. With that, the password will be visible. Likewise, click on the option of password options. Toggle on for the option of autofill passwords and passkeys. This will help you sign in into apps and website. Well, this is how you can easily see saved passwords on iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.